And that's why I would like to thank each and everyone who contributed towards these loco pilots. And I'm very happy and very proud that I'm giving a speech for these three brave heart loco pilots. It's not an easy job for the loco pilot. Right from the appointment, prepare for the exams, give the RRB exams, every year refresher, every year medical. It's very complicated. But it's their dedication, their passion towards railways is what keeps them so energetic, passionate towards work. So, I would like to thank each and every one, and I would like to end this speech, okay, by giving 5 tips to our young loco pilots, essential loco pilots, okay. I have, extracted this 40 years of my dad's life, that what it needs to be a safe loco pilot to complete maximum years in railways. Okay, मैंने उनका वो 40 साल निचोड़ा है और 5 points मैंने यहाँ पर बनाया है. So please, all the young loco pilots and the ALPs, kindly hear this, because it is the extraction of the 40 years these loco pilots have done. So first is no tension, no stress. Always remember, a loco pilot should not be given any tension. And that's the reason, because he has 5,000, 15,000 passengers behind him. So it's the family's responsibility to keep the loco pilot happy, no stress, no tension, and that's how the train runs safely. Second, family time. The loco pilot is under tremendous pressure on duty. He faces challenges, obstacles, and he's under pressure during those 8 hours. But when he comes home, the family should embrace him, give him a loving time. This is what a family time, a quality time together, which helps him to relax. Third, proper rest. So whenever dad comes, we made sure, okay, that he's given proper rest, because he needs that rest, because he has responsibility of so many people. So all the young drivers, all the young loco pilots, make sure you make a proper rest. A healthy body runs an healthy railway. The fourth point is work an extra mile. एक मील और बढ़ो. जब आपसे रेलवे पूछती है कि आप और एक्स्ट्रा ड्यूटी कर सकते हो, आजकल मैं देखता हूँ 8 घंटे पूरे हो गए, ड्राइवर बोलता है मैं A9 ब्रेक लगाता हूँ, मेरा ड्यूटी खत्म, मैं घर पे जा रहा हूँ. आज तक रेलवे ने कभी पगार नहीं रोका, फैसिलिटीज दी, इतने सारे हमारे रेलवे के लिए एम्प्लॉयज के लिए किया है, पर हमारे कर्मचारी क्या करते हैं, 8 घंटे ड्यूटी हो गया, मैं A9 ब्रेक्स लगा के जा रहा हूँ. ऐसे मत कीजिए. रेलवे आपके लिए है, तो आपने भी रेलवे के लिए करना चाहिए. 1 मील और रेलवे के लिए करना चाहिए. ये मेरे डैडी से मैंने सीखा है. और सबसे बिग पॉइंट है स्वास्थ्य. हेल्थ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ द लोको पायलट. इट इज द बैकबोन. मेरे डैडी दिन में 10 किलोमीटर चलते हैं. ये स्वास्थ्य के राज किसी ने बताया, तो उनका एक्सरसाइज 10 किलोमीटर 10,000 स्टेप्स, ये इनका राज है. प्रॉपर रेस्ट, ओके, एंड 10 किलोमीटर वॉकिंग, ये इनका राज है जो 40 ईयर्स उन्होंने कंप्लीट किया है. सो कीप इन माइंड दिस 5 पॉइंट्स, ऑल द ALP, the loco pilots, to have in railways. Lastly, I would like to thank the retiring LFA committee, respected sir, for giving us this opportunity, giving us this time, and making this day special for all the loco pilots. Thank you very much. Love you all.